Welcome to my channel, Chemistry Class. My dear student, I hope you are doing well. So, in the previous lecture, we discussed the preparations of alkenes, and today we are going to study another very important topic, which is physical properties of alkenes. My dear student, this topic is also very important. So, let's start step by step and listen carefully. What are alkenes? Alkenes are unsaturated hydrocarbons containing at least one double bonds between carbon-carbon. General formula: CnH2n. Examples: ethene CH2 double bond CH2, propene C3 bond CH double bond CH2. So now let's start and discuss each physical properties of alkenes and details one by one. The first one is physical state. The physical state of alkenes depends on the number of carbon atoms. Lower alkenes from carbon 2 to carbon 4 are gases. Middle alkenes from carbon 5 to carbon 17 are liquid. Higher alkenes, carbon 18 and above, are solid. Example: ethene C2H4 gas, hexene C6H12 liquid. Second one is color and odor of alkenes. Most alkenes are colorless. They have a faint or slightly unpleasant smell. Third one, solubility of alkenes. Alkenes are insoluble in water because they are nonpolar. They are soluble in organic solvents like benzene, ether, alcohol. Reason: water is polar while alkenes are nonpolar. Fourth one is density of alkenes. Alkenes are lighter than water. Their density is less than 1 gram per centimeter cube. Fifth one, boiling points of alkenes. The boiling points of alkenes increases with increase in molecular mass, increases with increase in chain length. Example: alkene formula boiling point. Alkenes: ethene formula C2H4 boiling point minus 104 degrees centigrade. Propane C3H6 and boiling point minus 48 degrees centigrade. Butene C4H8 boiling point minus 6 degrees centigrade. Sixth one, melting point of alkenes. Melting point increases with increase in molecular mass. Symmetrical molecules have higher melting points. Seventh one, effect of branching. Branching affects boiling point. Straight chain alkenes, higher boiling point. Branched chain alkenes, lower boiling point. Reason: branched molecules have weaker intermolecular forces. Eighth one, polarity. Alkenes are nonpolar compounds. They do not conduct electricity. Comparison between alkanes versus alkenes and physical properties. Property: alkenes. First one, nature. Nature of alkene is saturated while nature of alkenes is unsaturated. Physical state of alkene is gas, liquid, solid, while physical state of alkenes is also gas, liquid, solid. Solubility in water. Solubility of alkene in water. Alkene is insoluble in water, while alkene is also insoluble in water. Boiling point of alkene is lower, while boiling point of alkene is slightly higher. Density of alkene less than water, while density of alkene is also less than water. Important points for exams. When a student, alkenes are nonpolar compounds insoluble in water. Boiling point increases with chain length. Lower alkenes are gases. Branched alkenes have lower boiling points. So, my dear student, this is all about today's lectures on physical properties of alkenes. I hope you understand. So, if this lecture will help you, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more chemistry lectures, and share it with your friends. Comments your question below. Take care and see you in the next class, inshallah. Thank you for listening.